2, 3, and...
Come and watch, I'ma show you how it's done. Post a vid, make you get a little buzz. Big head Pat, got reviews like Yelp. Got all eyes on, cause I do it so well. I'ma pull up with the whip like Tokyo Drift. With some fresh new heat, I'ma load up the clip. It can get a little scary, but like don't even trip. This is every damn day, like I don't even skip. Come and watch, yeah, come and watch. Hey, come and watch. Do it, like, share.
What's up, Big Head Gang? It's your boy Big Head Pat. Welcome to Big Head Pat Reviews. Okay, today, y'all, we're going to see the dopest Jeep building company in America. All right, America's Most Wanted. If you remember that name, I did Demon Gladiator. They are the creators. Okay, they are the creators of that monster. And so they're gonna show me different monsters that they have created. Show me around the shop, all right? Because I've seen a lot of videos about this place, but nobody really got in depth to learn the business and what they do there. You know what I mean? So we definitely about to walk through here, get a walk through, and might get a test drive. You know what I mean? So let's see what they're talking about. But before we get to the video, y'all, I need you guys to definitely like, share, and subscribe. All right? If you like that intro, press that like and subscribe button. All right? And I'm letting you know this video only finna get better from now on. All right, from this point right now, this video is finna change. All right, and if you have any music or if you have a car collection you want reviewed, hit me up on Instagram. All right, it's the quickest way to get in touch with me, and I promise you, I will hit you back. All right, so let's go check them out. We out. See all these Jeeps in here. Let me show you. So you made it to America's Most Wanted, all right? And go ahead and introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Ethan with America's Most Wanted 4x4, and today I guess we're going to be going through the shop and just kind of explaining what we do and why we do it.
All right, so what you have here in front of us?
Yeah, so we've got some vehicles lined up here, either new or customer vehicles. We've got a TRX, a 392 Wrangler, looking into it, just scoping it out, seeing what's different.
Yeah.
And we've got one of our signature builds, Demon Wrangler with a
Yes.
coilover suspension, 60/80 AMW axle package.
Look at this, y'all. I think it's
This one's
beautiful.
set up with King shocks, KMC 235 wheels, and full hydro assist steering system and rock slide engineering steps.
So how much would a build like this cost here? For like a Demon.
So a build like this, top to bottom with the price of the vehicle, kind of depends on how you configure it.
Yeah.
This one specifically is in the 170, 180 range, depending on what accessories are chosen and
Okay.
shock packages.
So you said with the vehicle also, so they can buy the vehicle also.
Yeah, so we do full vehicle sales, so we can go beginning to end and purchase it, directly with the price of the vehicle. So it's really nice to be able to include a vehicle, all your packages wrapped up into one, one final purchase that you can, get a loan on or, purchase through any avenue of financing.
Okay, look at this.
A vehicle like this is something we've built for LaFontaine.
I think it's beautiful. And you guys know I work with LaFontaine, and if you do remember the Demon Gladiator that I looked at, these are the guys that built that vehicle. All right, they didn't convert it; they built that vehicle from the ground up. Okay. This right here is called Nacho.
Yeah, this is a Nacho Mojave Gladiator, and this is pretty much that Demon's little brother, I would say.
Yeah,
it's got the 60/60 ARB axle package.
Sheesh.
Nice Method beadlock wheels.
Yeah.
Axis Razor tires. 40, 13, 50, 17s on there.
Yeah.
Our custom Falcon shock package.
Man, it's just y'all.
America's Most Wanted, tuned everything.
You seen the video, guys? Like, this thing is like, the video do no type of justice. This thing is gorgeous. All right, like, to be able to buy a Jeep and don't have to do nothing else to it, from the power to the suspension, the wheels, tires, everything. I mean, this thing is just, and this rock slide, you guys remember this, open that door, that thing fly right on out. There's no delay. All right, so let's check out some more things.
Yeah, so a vehicle like this one here behind us. Sorry.
I'm sorry about that, guy.
This is a 6.4, Jeep
That Hemi.
Recon, that we just finished up for LaFontaine, and our turnkey program is getting bigger, and as we develop it, you're going to be able to walk into any LaFontaine, mostly the CBJR and Fenton, and buy one of these right on the lot.
Okay.
So fully built with all of our packages and ready to go.
So like I said, guys, you can buy a Wrangler or a Gladiator and just build it from the ground up. Anything, custom headlights, winches, everything. They do everything in-house. You know what I mean? And they have partners that do sell their vehicles, y'all. So you definitely have to check them out. And this is the beautiful things here, all right?
Yeah, let's walk through the process of how this all works, right? You see the end product, and now let's see kind of how it gets there. So we've got, we're one of the biggest purchasers in the world right now.
Let me show you guys this.
Any crate engine.
Yeah, these are all engines, y'all. All these. And they not just any engines. I mean, he gonna tell you more about that part, but.
Yeah, so we've got a couple of elephants down here that are, make it clear they are pre-sold. They are, customers' engines at the moment. But, we have elephant number 6, which is the first elephant that was sold. The first 5 obviously were in development with Mopar.
So y'all, they just show you how big they are, man. They really have the first elephant motor ever sold here. And like, I've been here for an hour or so just looking around, y'all. This is just a beautiful place, man. And the work they do, you can just look, man. They are busy. And they do great work. They work with people just such as Stradman, Cletus, McFarland. Like, they really do big things here. You know what I mean? So, and those guys are not smart. And Quavo also at the Migos bought a vehicle from also, y'all. And they just have inventory for days. So, guys, you really want to get something different in the world, that like one of one from a company out of Michigan. That's one thing I'm proud of, to say that they're right down the street from me. So I'm loving, man. I'm just loving the feel of this.
So yeah, let's take a look. I mean, we've got 2 walls of crate engines.
Look at it.
These are all transmissions lined up on the bottom here for the conversion. So this is a big inventory spot.
Man.
And if we kind of walk over into this area,
right behind you,
all these engines come down off the shelf when they're ready to build and get pulled into our engine building bay here. So we've got 3 stands. We use parts from Mopar in all sorts of ways, and so 80% of our conversion, 80 to 90 actually, is Mopar parts. Yeah. So they're potato heads, and we build them how we please, and we build them the way to get them into our Jeeps to perform the absolute best they're able to. So this is a good example of one that's just getting finished up and ready to go into one of our crates for
so what do you guys want to be known for? Like you said, how long have this company been around? This company?
Yeah, this company, this was originally America's Most Wanted 4x4 in about 2004. We started, and from there we are vehicle builders, right? So we started on the basis of building a vehicle that can be used in any area, any location, just whatever you want to do with it. It's going to be versatile and have the best road manners that are possible with a Jeep with very high horsepower.
So what's the goal? Like, what do you guys want this company to be known for? Like,
we want to be known for building the world's best Jeeps. Yeah, that's really the base of it. I mean, everything from the power to the way the foundation's built up. Yeah, we want to build the best Jeeps that we possibly can.
Yeah, you don't want to be no conversion. You don't want to be known for doing conversion. You want to build from ground up, like
so
frames.
Ground up vehicle builders. I mean, it's not just about how much power you throw in it. It's about how it performs with the power. Yeah, where it can perform. Yeah, and just all around drivability of the vehicle. Okay. So it's not something where we're just building it to go rock climbing. We're not just building it to go around a drag, go down a drag course. It's straight up to do any of those things, and we want it to do everything well. Got you.
All right, so we're going wherever you want to go in the shop,
so
man.
We can walk over to the shop here.
Let's see some of the products, guys. Some of the cars, they're not cars, I'm sorry. The Jeeps they're working on, all right? Like, this is, like, what about this one is going on? Like,
so this is a full turnkey Demon build, actually, with our AMW. This is our long travel suspension. Yeah. And 60/80 axle package.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a full
Man, look at all
load,
that, y'all.
turnkey build.
This is all custom from top to bottom, y'all.
This one specifically, unlike some of the other ones we do, has a Willwood brake package on it.
Mm-hmm.
6-piston Willwoods with 16-inch rotors.
I got big hands, y'all. Like, that thing is huge.
So, yeah, this one's got 12-inch Fox coilovers on it. Full adjustability, high speed and low speed settings.
Okay. Look at all
Back
this.
has a piggyback, and the front has a
God.
resin. So,
Okay.
obviously everything's taped on them when we build these vehicles because when they roll out of here, they need to be, brand new. I mean,
Yeah.
it's
Oh,
off the
definitely.
showroom
This is
floor, so.
this is brand new, y'all. Every single thing under here. So you get something built, just know everything is brand spanking new and the best performance. And that is there. This is theirs, y'all. This is not nothing ball. Everything is custom. This is the 8 lug. This is custom from them, y'all. You can't get this anywhere else.
Yeah, so this is this red vehicle here is a custom vehicle that had some miles on it beforehand.
Yeah.
Decided to, he finally located us, knew what we wanted to do, and we're bringing it to life. So,
Golly, man, look at all this stuff, y'all.
so this is getting a 60 ARB package on it, 6.4 Hemi conversion, our AMW 505 package, and the long arm tune suspension.
Golly, man, this is
You build a
amazing.
Jeep with a suspension like these, and when it's fully tuned, it is going to outperform anything that is, just any factory lift kit.
Right.
When you do something like this, you're tuning it to the extra weight of that Hemi, and you don't have any sort of spring sag or floaty driving. I mean, it is dead on down the road.
Yeah.
As you probably saw.
Yeah.
With
Yeah,
the
oh,
Demon.
man.
I mean, it drives straight
If I
through.
can, guys, I'm gonna show you a clip of me driving that Gladiator, and that thing moved, and it was smooth for the vehicle size and the weight of that motor. That thing moved and glided, and the power is unmatched. People talk about getting a Jeep, like, man, it don't have power, the motor's weak, but to get that plus your suspension, tires, and everything. It's unbeatable. Guys, we're driving this beauty here. All right, it's got a Hellcat in it. The one we drove was a Demon, but I cannot wait to see, how this thing drives, man, handles. And, man, I'm so excited to be here. I wanted you guys to see, what they do. So, for a certain amount, I'm not going to say their prices because I really don't know all of them, and I'm going to give no bad advice or info. But, you can get a fully customized Jeep. You see this one? You got a winch. You see the tires, man. The tires, the lights, everything. You can get that all done here at once. So you can just pay your amount. I don't know how much the amount is, like I said, but you can get everything done here. All right, color matching insides and all. So look at this. I'm gonna get under here. Look at the suspension, y'all. This thing is nasty. People, you're on a ride, all right? You see all the room in here. Look at this dash. I love the color matching in here. Oh, hear that whine. Yeah. Need them down anyway. Oh, man, this thing sounds good. And it rides, y'all. The ride in here is so smooth, man. Like I drove a Jeep and I felt a stumble. I want to show you something. Look, he's driving. Yeah. You can't do that with a regular Jeep.
That's on 40-inch tires.
Yeah, 40-inch tires, and I mean,
half-inch lift.
There's no shaking, no nothing. It's gliding. You can't do that with a Jeep. I test drove a Jeep. Went to LaFontaine for a review, and it was shaking. It had a steady shake to it. And man, this thing, you see how quiet it is. That whine sounds amazing. No, that's on 40-inch tires, y'all. I don't think y'all can. That's on 40-inch tires. And to hear that whine come out of the Gladiator is unmatched, man. You get the truck you want and everything built, and how you turning this curve, and this thing's still going 70. It's going 70 going around curves like a sport, like a supercar, y'all. Man, so I will talk to you guys when I get back to the shop. I'm finna enjoy this ride. You know, this is my adventure with America's Most Wanted, man. I'll tell them your name again. Tell them where to reach you guys.
Ethan, America's Most Wanted. Reach us at, I don't know, what you want, a phone number? It's 810-266-6262.
Address?
100 Quality Way, Holly, Michigan.
Man, y'all, this was the best experience I ever had in the car in my life. Like, seriously, hands down. I told you guys, mark my word, when I make you big on YouTube, this is my first stop. I'm telling you the truth. All right, y'all, please do not skip the ads, or thank you for not skipping the ads. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, man. This your boy, Big Head Pat. I'm out.
Reply, man, come and watch.